Earth sucks for human life. That's why I found 4 planets that would have been better choices for us to live on. Number 1, KOI 5715.01. Catchy name, I know. This absolute unit is 3,000 light years away and is basically Earth's older, more successful sibling. The planetary system it belongs to is 5.5 billion years old. That's a full billion years older than our solar system. And you know what that means? A billion extra years for life to evolve, get complex, and maybe even develop TikTok. Who knows? This planet is almost double the size of Earth, which scientists say is actually perfect because it helps retain heat better. Now, current studies show it's actually colder than Earth right now. But here's the thing. With the right atmospheric composition, a strong greenhouse effect could bump those temperatures up about 5 degrees Celsius warmer than Earth's average. And at that temperature, richer biodiversity, more species, more life. Basically, a biological party we weren't invited to. Number 2, Kepler 69c, located about 2,700 light years away. This bad boy could be around 7 billion years old. That's in the sweet spot for complex life. So if you want to find alien civilizations, you don't look at baby planets like ours. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Kepler 69c is massive, almost 4 times Earth's mass. A rocky planet this big could have one single colossal continent. The center of it would be a huge desert because obviously continental interiors are dry. But the coastline? The coastline washed by Kepler's ocean would be insane. We're talking about beaches that stretch for thousands of miles, ocean views for days, and probably real estate prices that would make Malibu look affordable. Now, can you breathe there? No idea. Scientists haven't figured out if it even has an atmosphere yet. But assuming it does, and it's not made of poison gas, you'd be living in paradise. Number 3, Kepler 1126b. This planet is 2,073 light years away and also orbits a yellow dwarf star, except it does it better. The planet is 7.5 billion years old. Again, way older than us, meaning more time for them to make the same mistakes we did and hopefully learn from them. Here's the kicker. The planet orbits 2.5 times closer to its star than Earth does to the sun. Wait, wouldn't that fry everything? Nope. Because its star is cooler than ours, so the habitable zone, that perfect distance where liquid water exists, is much closer in. Distance matters, but so does intensity. This planet basically said, I'll take what Earth has and do it better, and then did exactly that. However, yet again, we still don't know if you can even breathe there, so it's probably not going to be my first choice. Number 4, Speculoos 2c. Yes, that's its real name. No, I don't know why. This super-Earth is only 106 light years away, which in space terms is basically next door. Not that it helps. It would still take you 200,000 years to get there, even traveling at the speed of NASA's fastest probe. So maybe pack some snacks. This planet is about 40% larger than Earth, which is great. But here's where things get weird. It orbits a red dwarf star that's only 15% the size of our sun. So the planet has to orbit super close to stay warm. And when you orbit that close, you get tidally locked. One side of the planet faces the star forever. Constant daylight, scorching hot. The other side, eternal darkness, freezing cold, equally terrible. In between those two hellscapes is the terminator zone. This is a thin strip of land where it's perpetually sunset. Not too hot, not too cold. Just right. Is it better than Earth? Honestly, debatable, but it's definitely more interesting. Earth's 24-hour day-night cycle is boring compared to an eternal twilight zone between apocalyptic extremes. Overall, I will still choose Earth any day of the week. Like and sub to not miss another upload.